Orthocenter. What is orthocenter of the triangle? Orthocenter is nothing but point of intersection of altitudes. Point of intersection of altitudes. Let it be, this is D and that is E. No problem, whatever it may be. What is orthocenter? Point of intersection of altitudes. First part, to find altitude. AD. So this AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. First find slope of BC. Take vertices, given vertices in order A 5 minus 2, B minus 1 comma 2, C 1 comma 4. Definitely you should draw diagram in exam also. 7 marks question. Slope of BC. What is BC slope? Points are there. Slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 2 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 1. So that is 2 by 2, which gives you 1. Now, how is AD? AD is perpendicular to BC. That implies slope of AD is equal to minus 1. Why? Because if two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is minus 1. If AD is perpendicular to BC, product of the slope, product of perpendicular slopes should be equal to minus 1. And then based on that, slope of BC 1 అయితే AD minus 1. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు multiply చేయండి, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Therefore AD perpendicular to BC. Now AD line passing through A, slope already వచ్చేసింది. Slope of AD minus 1 we got, and this AD line passing through A. Write down equation of AD. What are the properties? Passing through A. Neat గా steps clear గా మెన్షన్ చేయండి, మీకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా మిస్టేక్ లేదు. 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ గ్యారంటీడ్. సర్కమ్ సెంటర్ ఆర్ ఆర్థో సెంటర్, ఈ 2 ఏరియాస్ నుంచి మీకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ గ్యారంటీ వస్తుంది. ఫ్రమ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఇన్ యాన్యువల్ ఎగ్జామ్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ 7 plus 7. Equation of AD passing through A and having slope m equal to minus 1. Already here we got slope of AD as minus 1. Now which formula you have to use? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1. Let this is x1 y1. Y1 is minus 2. M is minus 1 into x minus 1. Now, expand this. We get y plus 2 is equal to minus x plus 5 That gives x plus y minus 3. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. We got AD equation. In same procedure, find the equation of another altitude, that is B. Take the title to find altitude B. So clearly from diagram, B is perpendicular to AC. First find slope of AC. We have A point and C point. Apply y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus of minus 2 by 1 minus 5. That is m is equal to, write this value, how much? 4 plus 2, 6 by minus 4, which gives you minus 3 by 2. Now this BE is perpendicular to AC. We have to get equation of BE. What is nature of BE? BE is perpendicular to AC. Now write slope of BE. BE at longer AC ki perpendicular. Again use M1 M2 is equal to minus 1 concept. A simple technique, perpendicular slope రాయాలంటే AC slope 3 by 2 దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ రివర్స్ చేయండి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ స్లోప్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఒరిజినల్ రివర్స్ చేయండి. 3 by 2 రివర్స్ చేస్తే 2 by 2. అండ్ చేంజ్ సైన్. AC సైన్ minus 3 AC సైన్ మైనస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ స్లోప్ సైన్ ప్లస్. అదే హౌ టు రైట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ స్లోప్స్ అంటే మీరు దేన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని అయితే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ స్లోప్ రాస్తారో ఆ వాల్యూని ఫస్ట్ రివర్స్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ చేంజ్ సైన్. Then slope of B is 2 by 2. Now equation of B. What is nature of B? Equation of B passing through B point. What is B point? Minus 1 comma 2 and having slope m equal to 2 by 2. Now again use equation formula. Equation of straight line having slope m and passing through x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Use that here. Y minus y1 x1 y1 2 is equal to m 2 by 3 of x minus of minus 1. So ఇక్కడ cross multiply చేయండి. Go for cross multiplication. We get 3y minus 6 is equal to 2 into x plus 1. This is 2x plus 2. You should be little bit careful in solving equation. So that gives 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Concentration important. మీరు ఏమాత్రం కొంచెం డైవర్ట్ అయినా కూడా ఎక్కడో ఒకటి ప్లస్ మైనస్ మిస్ అవుతుంది. ఈక్వేషన్ లో సింపుల్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ చేంజ్ వచ్చినా మీకు టోటల్ ఆన్సర్ రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. జాగ్రత్త. Be careful in that. So AD equation and BE equation we got. What is orthocenter? This is orthocenter. Point of intersection of altitudes. Orthocenter, point of intersection of altitudes. Now you have to calculate or you have to find point of intersection of AD and BE. That means simply solve AD and BE equations. That is solving 1 and 2. Start the solution. Easy to get answer. Solve equation 1 and 2. That means what? Point of intersection of AD and BE equations. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0, equation 1. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0, second equation. Solve these two. So first equation multiplied by 2. Then first equation change it to 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal 0. Now subtract these two equations. Minus minus plus x gets cancelled. So minus 3y minus 2y. You can do this part easily. Minus 5y, 8 plus 16, 14 is equal to 0. Minus 5y plus 14 is equal to 0. Then minus 5y is equal to minus 14. Both sides minus gets cancelled. Then y is equal to 14 by 5. We got y. And there we got y value. Now substitute y in 1 or 2, మీ ఇష్టం, that is your choice. ఏది ఈక్వేషన్ మీకు సింపుల్ గా అనిపిస్తే అందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. కంపారిటివ్లీ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ఈజీగా ఉంది కదా. ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో జస్ట్ we have x plus y minus 3 only. Put y is equal to 14 by 5 in equation 1 to get x. Substitute చేద్దాం. x plus y minus 3. x plus y place లో 14 by 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. x plus 5 LCM ఇక్కడ LCM తీసుకోండి. 14 minus 15. Right? 5 into 3 15. So x minus 1 by 5 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1 by 5. So point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. 1 by 5 and 14 by 5. Therefore, this is the required orthocenter. So orthocenter of given triangle. You can write it as 1 by 5 comma 14 by 5. So cool ga practice cheyandi. Very important. 7 marks question.